I done fucked up these folks shit. Man, y'all pray for me, man. Y'all pray for me. Damn, man. I ain't had no business driving this motherfucker. Why the fuck I was driving this bitch? Shit don't make no sense, man. Look like they finna take my shit. Man, this shit don't make no sense. Shit don't make no sense, man. Y'all send one up for me, man. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck, man. That's why they say don't, man. Y'all gotta be careful with them trucks, man. Cause I just done fucked up. I just done fucked up, man. At work, high off them perks. At work, high than the motherfucker on them perks. They finna drug test me. I lost my job, man. At high on them perkies. On them perky sets. Oh man. Y'all I done fucked up. I ain't gonna show y'all I was up in the truck, but I done fucked up. God damn. Damn, man. I'm gonna tell my boss like, what you were doing? Shit, I was on them perkies. I done fucked up. I done fucked up ain't no mouth. Hey, man, I done flipped it. I ain't even flipped though. It's just in a bad spot. I had a blowout, man. Trying to drive this motherfucking truck. I see why my grandma says, boy, you don't need that big ass truck. Trying to drive this motherfucker one hand. Trying to one hand that bitch. Man, these folks finna fire the shit out of me, man. I got my steel toes on. I'm gonna click them and see if the truck come out. Pow, pow. God damn. Oh shit, man. Hood news, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Yeah, hey, if anybody want to make 500, clean this truck out. 500, we paying 500. Come and help us clean this truck out. Nah, we waiting on some crackheads. There's too much shit in there. Man, so much shit in that goddamn truck. Hell no. What the fuck? What can I tell? I wonder what can I tell? I wonder what can I tell my boss? I know what I'm gonna tell him. A banana was in the road. Hey, hey, man, John, what you got to say about this? You should have called me. I would have drove that hoe for you. Man, fuck all that. I can't afford to pay nobody to drive for me. I ain't gonna lie. This was my first load, and they were paying 1,500 to go 10 miles. My GPS, that motherfucker, something wrong with my GPS. That bitch sent me on the back road. Shit. Uh oh. Look at Unc right here. He need that bumper painted.
Don't hit that goddamn what's called, man.
Unc need to paint that goddamn bumper.
Let that big car.
Yeah. What's going on, Unc?
Watch out there now.
Unc, what you doing? Don't hit nothing, Unc. Don't you hit nothing, Unc. Where are y'all? And I got a trailer. Man, look, man. Damn, I got my boss. My boss coming. My boss coming. God damn, man. Man, I done fucked up, y'all. I got my first truck driving job, and I tried to cut the corner a little too. It was some kids in the road. It was some kids in the road, man. I just got my CDLs, and them bitches finna go. I told you, I'm at work high off them perkies. Bro, you told me before I left this morning, you said, don't take them. I said, man, fuck all that. I'm taking these bitches. Hey, y'all send a prayer for me, man, for real. Share this shit, man. I tried to goddamn, some kids was in the road. There was like 20 kids in the road, y'all. I tried to miss them bad ass children. Like mama gonna have to give me some pussy or something for this shit. Hey, damn. Shit. I'm finna try to crank. I'm finna try to move this bitch.
Get it up out of the ditch here, so.
Try to move this motherfucker, man. Damn, man. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Damn, y'all. Shit.